There's nothing quite like gardening. The squish of damp soil, the crunch of a fresh carrot, the beauty of a first flower. There's also nothing quite like gardening in Calgary. With a climate so unpredictable, creating your perfect garden can be a challenge. Luckily, you have the Calgary Horticultural Society on your side to help you in your gardening journey. We've been doing this for a while, over 110 years in fact, so you can trust that we know what we're doing. We're here to guide and support you so you can create the garden of your dreams. Whether you're new to Calgary's climate, a lost gardener just starting, or a seasoned pro looking to connect to other plant enthusiasts, we have your back. We love our members and want to help give them the most amazing gardening experiences. With discounts from local gardening businesses, informative classes and talks, biannual plant shares, summer garden tours, fun volunteer opportunities, and so much more, we set our members up for success, connecting them with resources and a supportive community across Calgary. The Calgary Horticultural Society knows that gardening is an incredibly rewarding experience, and we want to share that with you. A community that gardens together creates a better future for us and our city. So come grow with us and help us create a greener Calgary. For more information about the Calgary Horticultural Society or to become a member, you can visit us at calhort.org.